Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Today's video is a makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in 2 months. It's been 2 months. That's too much time. So if I'm a little rusty, dusty and crusty, you know why. My makeup videos are my comfort zone and I feel like I'm at home now. It feels warm. It feels cozy. Filming a makeup video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this very nice, glam, smoky eye. Yeah, let's do that. I usually start all of my makeup looks by priming my eyes. I either use concealer or an eyeshadow primer. Most of the times I use concealer, but today I'm gonna go with some eyeshadow primer. I always wanna make sure that my base is perfect before I start adding the eyeshadows. Because if the base is good, everything else is just so much easier. I really like how my eyebrows turned out today. They're a little intense. I'm not gonna lie. But who doesn't like an intense eyebrow? It gives you character, you know? It gives you a boost of confidence. Yeah, you wanna make sure that people can see your eyebrows from space. Hi, I'm Danny, and these are my eyebrows. This eyeshadow palette stole my heart. It is so pretty. Like, excuse me, ColourPop, how dare you make such a beautiful eyeshadow palette? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to guess which is my favorite color. 3, 2, 1. Time's out. Whatever your answer is, it's wrong. Because I like all of them. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This one over here, I like it a little more than the other ones. Which, yeah, I guess that makes it my favorite one. So if you guessed this one, then your answer was probably right. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, my friends, is focus on the palette. Yes, that's good. So I'm gonna take some of this eyeshadow over here. It's my favorite color. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then I'm gonna take some of Angel Eyes. I'm gonna mix them on my brush. Top of the excess. And this is going in my crease. Yeah, baby. Oh, my eyeshadow primer is a little sticky. I mean, I guess that's good. I usually set it with powder, but today I forgot. That's okay. It will still do the job. So I'm just very carefully buffing it. Ew, what is that? A hair? I don't know. I think I saw a hair. This is actually my ultimate go-to eyeshadow color. Like whenever I don't have an idea what eye look I want to do, I just put a color similar to this one in my crease and I'm good to go. If you don't have an eyeshadow like this, you can just use your blush. It's basically the same thing. Ah, look at that, it's so pretty. I love this color. I really like it. And how can you not? I really like combining pink and brown. I think that it's such a gorgeous combination. It always looks so good when you combine those colors together. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm applying some of this brown eyeshadow in the outer corner of my eye. And now, in order to blend this out and make it look nice and smoky like this side, I'll use the same brush, but I'm gonna make sure that there is no brown eyeshadow left in it. See how much eyeshadow I had in that brush? I don't need that anymore. And then I'm dipping it in some of that pink shade that I used in my crease before, and I'll just go ahead and diffuse the edges of that brown eyeshadow very gently. Oh, it's so beautiful. This could have been a really nice look for the Valentine's Day. I'm late, as always. This is an even smaller blending brush. It's a lot more stiff as well. I'm gonna dip it in the darkest eyeshadow from the palette. I want the outer corner of my eye to be as dark as possible, because if we don't have that really dark area over there, the whole look would have been so much more daytime appropriate. It's not that you can't wear this look throughout the day. You can do whatever you want. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Okay, but it's quite glam. I think that it's a lot more appropriate for a nighttime event. I'm loving how this is turning out. Loving it! I don't know if you guys noticed that in my videos, but I always like taking the previous shade that I applied on my eyelid to blend out the next one. Does that make any sense? Before I was applying this dark, almost black color on my eyelid, I was going in with the brown one over here. So now I'm taking that same brown eyeshadow to diffuse the edges of the black one. Alrighty guys, these next few steps will take this look from looking like this to looking like this. Look at that, look at that. Speechless. That's what I am right now. And it's super easy. We won't even need brushes. You okay, brush? That's one more brush to wash. Don't worry, you guys, it was dirty anyways. The secret ingredient is on the floor. The secret ingredient to this beautiful looking eye look is lash glue. Not lash glue, sorry, glitter glue. So first, I'm gonna take some of that glitter glue on my finger. I need the tiniest amount. And I'm gonna add it in the center of my eyelid. Glitter glue is not only for glitter. Dun, dun, dun. I absolutely love using it with shimmery eyeshadow because it makes them look 1000 times better. I'm not even kidding. This thing is like magic and a very affordable one actually. I'm using this one here by BH Cosmetics. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. Then for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna do the same thing. Patting a little bit of glitter glue, and then I have this highlighter by Ofra Cosmetics. First I'm gonna take this more golden one, and this is going in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I thought, hey, why don't I put some of that pinky one, not pinky, but pinky. Why don't I put that pinky one on top of the eyeshadow that I have in the center of my eyelid, just to boost it a little. Yeah, look at that. Come on, that was a good idea. Good job. Yeah, that's nice, that's beautiful, but I thought, hey, I need some color in there. So I look at that ColourPop eyeshadow palette and I was like, you over there, come here. I need you for something. I'm gonna take my little blending brush and then I'm gonna load it with some of this eyeshadow here called This Guy. Now this is a very nice dark purple shade. It kind of reminds me of grapes for some reason. I don't know why. Everything reminds me of food. Adding little details like that is always a good idea. Time for the eyeliner. The eyeliner will either mess this look up or it will take it to a whole new level. Ooh, I'm afraid it's the first one. Let me try to fix that. I really like when my eyeliner is like super... Sorry, that was my button. I was saying that I really like when my eyeliner is that crisp and sharp and clean, and I don't know, it's just so oddly satisfying when the makeup is that clean at the edge. I don't know, I really like it. Alright, let's take care of the lashes. First, I'm gonna curl them, coat them with some mascara. I don't know how to bring this up to you guys, but I think that I found my new favorite pair of lashes. I'm a simple human. I find a nice pair of lashes, I wear it until I can't wear it anymore because it's falling apart. REM Beauty, they're inside here. These are my new favorite lashes. I really like them. What is them? And I'm gonna be brave enough to say that I believe that this has to be one of the best pair of lashes I've ever worn. I feel like they suit my eye shape very nicely. I think that this is actually the last time I'll be able to wear these lashes. I don't think that they have much life left in them. They're falling apart and it's my fault. I have this bad habit of not taking care of my lashes. Once I take them off, I just take them off and abandon them somewhere. It's kind of scary because I confuse them for huge spiders. I start smacking them with my slipper.
Oh.
Alright, now let's take care of the lower lashes. I kinda look sick with that pink eyeshadow under my lower lashes. Pink is beautiful, but it's dangerous. Because sometimes it looks cute, other times it makes you look sick. It's a very fine line between those two. I'm gonna take my angled brush, dip it in some of that black eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring that right here. Something like this. I have to be careful because I don't want to get any fallout from that black eyeshadow on my face. So I'm not swiping, I'm just kind of pressing that brush against my skin, just patting it. You can also do that with your eyeliner if you want. It's gonna last a little longer than the eyeshadow, but that's okay. I like the eyeshadow too. Let's smudge it a little. Oh no, I kind of ruined my sharp edge over there. I have some leftovers of concealer on my brush. I'll just go ahead and kind of clean it again. Yeah, something like this looks good. I want the inner part of my eyes to be the lightest, the brightest spot of this whole eye look. So I'll take some of that over highlighter again and just add it in that inner lower lash line area. And this is our final look. I'll have all the products that I'm wearing on my face listed down in the description box. This is a very intense eye look, but it's very pretty. How brave of of me to wear a white turtleneck with so much makeup on my face. Obviously, I failed keeping it white for that long, because look at that. Look at that mess. I knew a disaster like this would happen, but I did it anyways. Let me guys know what kind of looks you want to see in my next videos. Hey, you can check out this video over here next. I did my makeup using kids' makeup. Oh, or you can check out this one over here. No more bad makeup days. Who doesn't want that? Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!